Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel International Trending News. Hello guys, welcome about the simple trick in the morning. Start your biological clock so you sleep better at night. While placing your head on a pillow and falling unconscious sounds easy in theory. Many of us struggle with our 40 wings come adulthood. Thankfully, according to sleep expert Annie Mare Bohan, a simple trick in the morning is all it takes to optimize your slumber. According to Bohan, getting yourself some sunlight in the morning would be just etiquette to ensure you sleep better. Bohan, who is a sleep expert at the Sleep Care Co, explained to the Mirror, ensure you get neutral light during the day. If sunlight reaches your eyes in the morning, it sets your biological clock and triggers the timing of the hormones cortisol and melatonin, which affect sleep. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.